Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make my dinner rolls, and they're really soft and really easy to make as well. So yeah, enjoy the video and please remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and like, comment and share with your family and friends. Also, all the measurements and every other thing you need will be in the description box below, so just check that out. And yeah, remember to comment and tell me like what you think about it, and if you do try it, also let me know how it goes. So yeah, enjoy the video guys. So I'm basically just mixing and mixing at this point, and then I'm going to add some butter to it, around 7 tablespoons. So yeah. And again, all I'm doing is mixing everything together. And I know it doesn't look quite alright at this point, but the thing is, you have to trust the process. You have to trust that it's going to come out looking good. You just have to trust it. But anyways, yeah, so just mix, and then transfer to like a surface that is clean, and then you can knead it properly. And if you notice that I added a little bit of flour to the mix as well, because it felt a bit what's the word? Gleevy. Is that even a word? But yeah, so I'm just going to be kneading it. Actually, I set a timer for this because I wanted to make sure that I did it properly. So I did this for 15 minutes. Yes. Just yeah, it's long, but it was worth it. So yeah, you just have to do it until your dough is like elastic and like stretchy, basically. So now I'm rolling it out and just like doing it into the shape, because it's easier to cut into almost equal sizes when it's like this. And all you're going to do is like basically flatten each one and then rolling the sides, all the sides into it, and then just have to do the round thing on your surface basically to make it a nice ball basically. So yeah, and then I decided to use a different pan, but anyways, all you have to do is butter it. Some people use egg as well, egg and milk, but I didn't use that. And just cover it for an hour for it to rise, and place into the oven for 25 minutes. And I wanted mine to look this perfect, this brown, so I let it, you know, stay in the oven and enjoy itself for like 30 minutes actually, but you can leave yours for 25 minutes if you don't want it this brown or whatever. So yeah, and it was really nice and soft guys. Like look at that, Jesus, too nice. So yeah, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share with your family and friends. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.